now we've got the first of your home films. And we're going to meet two fellas that I think have definitely created a garden that talks of their personality.
Hi Gardeners World, welcome to my garden on the borders of Kent. My name is Martin, this is Summer, and this is Willow. We moved into our home in 2013. Over 8 years, our garden kept changing and eventually developed into a tropical oasis. We've planted a small bucket with water to attract wildlife, and now we're going to build a bigger pond. So here's my husband Robert helping me dig up the ferns. And say hi, Robert.
Hi.
And this is the final result. Dragonflies and bees always visit. Being north facing, we don't get much sun all day, but blueberries are an easy, nutritious fruit everybody should grow. And even Willow loves them too. So my motto is, give anything a go and try something new. Enjoy any outside space that you may have.